Hello friends, welcome to my cooking channel Land of Flavors. Today we will be preparing black pepper cottage cheese in Indian style. Cottage cheese in India is known as paneer and black pepper is kali mirch. So without any further delay, let's start preparing for the same. To begin with, we need 2 finely sliced onion, 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger sliced in this way. Then we need 4 cloves, 2 cardamom, 20 to 25 pieces of pepper, 1 bay leaf, and we need 14 to 16 cashew nut. Then we will be requiring 200 gram of cottage cheese, 1 glass milk, and in spices we need cumin, we need salt, we need asafoetida, and we need black pepper powder, which is easily available in the market. For cooking, we put a pan on the high flame and pour 1 serving spoon of cooking oil into the same. When oil becomes mild hot, we put 1 bay leaf into the oil. Then we will add the 4 cloves which we have taken. Then we add all the black pepper. Then we add the cardamom. Then we add the cashew nuts also. And we will mix it well and stir it. Then we will add the clove, ginger and garlic. And now we will add the finely chopped onion also. Now we will roast this entire thing till it becomes light brown in color. The onion becomes light brown in color. We have to continuously stir the same. So look, our onions are now light brown in color. So we will just switch off the flame and let this, and we will take out the bay leaf from this. We will put this entire thing in a separate plate and let it cool down. After it cools down, we will grind it into a fine paste. So I have separated this in a plate and now I'll wait for it to cool down and then I will grind it. So see, this is how our mixture will look like once we ground the same. Please note that keep on adding water to your mixture while grinding it, else the mixture will look coarse and will give a rough texture. So next step is to put half a serving spoon of a cooking oil into a pan on high flame, and when oil becomes hot, let's put a pinch of asafoetida to it. Then we add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Stir it well. And then we add our mixture to the same. There is some mixture which is stick to my jar, so I will put some water into the jar and again put that into this pan. So I have put the remaining mixture also here. Now I will stir it well and let it come to a boil. As you can see, it is coming to a boil now. So at this stage I will add table salt according to my taste. So I have added 1.5 teaspoon of table salt here. And then I add 1 glass of milk to it. And I will let this completely boil. Please keep on stirring it continuously. And I'll add black pepper to it. Keep stirring it till the water from this mixture completely evaporates and the gravy becomes thick. So as you can see now that this is boiling, but the mixture is still not very thick, so we need to continue for another 5 to 7 minutes. So now you can see the gravy has become thick and it's looking very nice and creamy. So I will add some chopped chilies to it, green chilies. It's completely optional. I like chili, that's why I put it. It will give me a very nice flavor. And I'll add the cottage cheese cubes now. Now I'm mixing it up, and I'll let this thing get again to a complete boil. Okay, so now our black pepper cottage cheese is ready to be served. I have served this. For finishing, you can just put some chopped chilies and black pepper. It will look really nice. So prepare this dish as per my recipe, and if you like it, please like my video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications from my channel. Thank you so much.